Here's how to cook potatoes in just 5 minutes. This secret trick is simpler than you think. If you don't want to waste your valuable time, you must try this method. Take a few potatoes and pierce them with a fork in several spots. This step is crucial as it allows steam to escape during cooking. Next, tear off a piece of paper towel and soak it in water. Wrap each potato in the damp paper towel. Place the wrapped potatoes into a microwave-safe dish and put them in the microwave. Set it to high power for about 5 minutes. After this time, the potatoes are ready. As you can see, cooking potatoes in the microwave is incredibly quick and easy. This simple recipe for microwaving potatoes will help you save time when preparing meals. Microwaved potatoes have a pleasant taste, similar to baked or steamed ones. Place a handful in the fridge, and you'll solve one problem for a long time. Just put it in a small container and place it in the fridge. This is a simple way to keep it working properly. For even better results, try this clever trick. Tear off 5 pieces of paper towel and fold them as shown in the video. Then, prepare a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them together. The salt effectively absorbs moisture, which is the main cause of unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix until you get a smooth consistency. Spread the mixture onto the prepared paper towel. The mixture will dampen the paper. Place the towel in the fridge. The baking soda and salt together will effectively absorb all the moisture and odors. Replace the towel weekly. I've been using this method for years, and I never have unpleasant smells in my fridge. An ordinary milk bottle has a hidden use. It can be handy in the kitchen, so it's worth not throwing it away. It turns out that manufacturers, when creating the packaging, did not know that they used materials with hidden properties. This applies to cardboard packages, which are the most popular, as well as those made of plastic. It turns out that both can be used in our kitchen for a completely different purpose. Once we have finished the milk, we should rinse the bottle to remove any residues. Then, using a wallpaper knife, cut off its part. It's about the part of the carton that is right next to the cap. Cut out the packaging precisely, leaving a few centimeters. The most valuable part of the bottle is precisely the cap. The rest of the carton can be thrown away. This preserved part of the packaging will come in handy for organizing the pantry. Any part of any milk carton with a cap can be used in a way that I will show you shortly. Just take an open package of nuts or loose products, unscrew the cap and thread the top part of the package through it, then lay it flat and screw on the cap. Milk bottle caps are larger than standard ones. They are often made of durable plastic, making them perfect for recycling. Instead of spending a fortune on caps, you can make them from milk bottles. I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days. Mix Vaseline with Coca-Cola. You'll see how wonderful it can be. You'd never think these ingredients could be mixed together. I'll show you how to make your favorite everyday product. It doesn't contain any chemicals. Take a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Take half a teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to the bowl. Take a larger bowl and turn it into a steam bath. Place the small bowl in it and pour hot water over it. Cover it with a plate and leave it for 10 minutes. We need to let our ingredients dissolve well. After waiting those few minutes, remove the plate. You can easily mix the Vaseline with the coconut oil now. You probably have some lipstick residue in your favorite color. Apply its remnants to the bowl. If you like experiments, you can add another one in a different color. Mix the lipsticks with the contents of the bowl. Get the Coca-Cola ready. Add 2 teaspoons to the Vaseline mixture. Mix everything again. Once the mixture has become uniform, you can transfer it to a small jar. Wondering what smells so nice and has a great color? That's your new lipstick. It looks beautiful and wonderfully moisturizes your lips. If you do this, ants, cockroaches, and other insects will disappear from your home. Leave it in the drawer, spice cabinet, on the windowsill, or on the countertop, and you won't see any ants or cockroaches anymore. Thanks to this, you'll have peace from these pests. A regular green cucumber will save you a lot of time, money, and nerves. No more buying expensive chemicals for insects. Hide such slices in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or bedroom. You'll see the effects the same day. Prepare a cutting board and a cucumber. Just a regular green cucumber. First, wash it thoroughly in water. Then dry it. Now slice it into medium-thick slices. Cucumber has a scent that repels ants. The substances in the cucumber peel act on them toxically. They lose their sense of smell, orientation, and die. The content of natural repellent substances in cucumbers is invaluable. It's the cheapest and simplest way to get rid of ants. Then prepare baking soda. Apply about a teaspoon to the cucumber slices. Because of its properties, it's one of the most popular products for repelling and eliminating pests in the garden. But at home, it works great for repelling cockroaches. The soda will absorb the juice from the cucumber and strengthen its scent for insects. Transfer the cucumber slices with soda to a small plate and spread them around the apartment. Leave them in places where you've had the most problems with ants or cockroaches. Pour Coca-Cola over an avocado. I'll show you how to create a product that could become your favorite daily remedy. Start with an avocado, which has amazing health benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive medications when you have this miraculous fruit at home. Everyone knows the avocado seed is the most valuable part, containing over 70% of the antioxidants found in the fruit. Remove the seed and don't throw it away. Peel off the skin. It should come off easily if the avocado is very ripe. Cut the seed into smaller pieces. If the fruit is less ripe, the seed will be harder. Place the cut pieces in a diffuser bottle and cover them with Coca-Cola. Let it sit for at least a day. Use it on painful areas and joints. Regular use of this mixture can provide pain relief and improve your daily comfort. Try this simple method and see how natural ingredients can support your health.